The world-famous Dust Deputy and Dust Deputy 2.5 cyclones. How do you know which one you need? Since 2006, the Dust Deputy has stopped up to 99.9% of fine dusts and bulk debris from clogging your vacuum's filter, eliminating suction loss while saving you time and money on expensive replacements. The larger Dust Deputy 2.5 is optimized for today's larger wet-dry vacuums and delivers up to twice the airflow of smaller cyclones and lid-style separators. Both the original and the Dust Deputy 2.5 cyclone separators will perform for your shop. The major difference is the inlet of your wet-dry vacuum. If you have a wet-dry vacuum with a 1.5 inch to 1 7/8 inch inlet, the original Dust Deputy is for you. For larger wet-dry vacuums with 2.25 inch inlets, the Dust Deputy 2.5 can handle the larger airflow. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at oneida-air.com/help